Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Masool Bilal and you're watching CGH Tutors. So today topic is how you can set up your account for the Fiverr. Last night I created my account for the Fiverr and I created 1 and 2 gigs. So I thought why should not I make a tutorial for it, and for you guys I will show you how you can set up your gigs in Fiverr. So first of all, go to your account and then where you can see your name, click on here and it will take you straight into that section where you can fill up your profile. First of all, it will ask you about your storyline. Like, I am a CG artist and I love to make art related everything. So I made this line, I put it by just clicking this button, the edit button, and I did this. For the second one, it will ask you about the description. Go to edit section and paste whatever you want to paste here. I typed this already. I have already a account in Upwork, so I copy pasted the same thing here because I don't want to mess up the accounts. It should be the same for the viewer. For example, one person is going to Upwork and he will find my different description, and in Upwork it's a different description. So I don't want to mess up and I don't want to mix these things. That's why I chose this and I put it that description in the same account. Second, it will ask you about the languages. I made this in English and because I'm fluent in English, so I don't need to worry about the fluency. Then it will ask about you the linked accounts, and I put it my Facebook account in it. And then it will ask about the skills, and you can add new skills. I mentioned some of the skills that I am having. Then it will ask about you the education. You can put your degrees and certificates here. I done bachelor in psychology and in arts, so I mentioned that I graduated from the Virtual University of Pakistan in 2012. Then I put the certificate that is triple ASP, that stands for Arena Animation Academy Specialist Program. So that is the total section. Then when it came to this part, it will ask you about the creating gig section. Last night I created 1 gig. Unfortunately, I don't have any response and replies based on that gig, but you don't need to worry about that. You need to create a very good gig. So let's click on creating a new gig. First of all, I think Google is trying to show the created gig that I already created. So that's the gig. I am offering 3 to 4 packages. 3 packages: basic one, standard one, and premium. In basic, I am offering 1 to 5 minutes video editing, general edit, cut cover, basics, transitions for cuts, covering. That's all what I'm offering in basic package. In standard package, you can see 1 to 20 minutes of video editing first of all, then general edit, cut, covering, transitions, color correction, music synchronization. And in premium package, 1 to 1 hour editing, which will I offer, which will cover advanced level editing with custom title, transitions according to the client wishes, which will cover almost all. And for that I am asking 2 days. For the standard I am asking 1 day, unlimited revisions, and for the basic also unlimited revision with 1 day. And in description I put it, I will do video editing for you according to your according to my packages that I am offering. In these packages I will do all kind of editing according to the packages, but in general I can edit all kind of editing: basic editing, basic transitions, cut covering, color correction, music synchronization with the video, beat matching, custom transitions, custom title, custom animation, blah blah blah, and all that. So that's all. I put this gig in the section of video editing and color correction, motion graphics, titles, green screens, and all that. So that's all. So it is asking me to edit this gig, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm going to click on the back and then we will go to the new section for creating new gig. Basically, Upwork is a different story, different whole story, and Fiverr is different. Fiverr is kind of when you create gigs, it's mean you are selling your product, you are offering to the client that this is what I can do actually. But in Upwork, it's a whole different story. You are bidding to the clients and clients accepting different proposals. But here clients find you, and if he found you attractive, your deal attractive, then he'll contact to you by himself. So you don't need to worry about that. So let's put I will do video editing. I will do, sorry, not video editing, that I already posted. I will do image editing for you. I will do not just image editing. It will give a boring feeling to the client. That client will see what else he is offering. Everybody is putting the same thing, that I will do image editing. Let's make it special. I will do fantastic image editing for you. I will do fantastic image editing for you. So that's the one thing. Then I am putting this in a graphic and design section where it goes. Then in section it will ask me about the Photoshop editing. It must ask. If it is not asking, then it means something is wrong behind. So in digital marketing program tech, I have to find the suitable program for that. It is just giving me these options. So there must be some kind of editing, Photoshop editing. You can see guys, this one. That's it. Search tag I will put okay. Gig metadata type not defined. Background removing, resizing, background removing, okay. Not defined. I will go with the not defined. Searches tags. I will put here, for example, image editing, okay, and background removal. Unfortunately, it's not the correct spelling, so let me correct these. Okay, 2, and you can see there are total 5 items. 2 I already put it. Now I have 3 more items left. Okay, image editing, background removal, and then we will go for transparent images, format conversion, and then color correction, and 3 and 2. Total 5s are done. Save and continue. Okay, my extra fast delivery. Again, this is asking me about the packages that I'm offering. So I need to go to the basic package. 10 images, background removal to white background, resizing images. Delivery time 1 day. Select revisions unlimited. By the way, in background removal we don't mostly receive revisions, because if you are cutting to any object and you are cutting perfectly, it will not ask you about the revisions. The client will be satisfied by your work, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, the second one is number of images. So I will say 10 images in $5. 10 images. And source file I will provide high res, I will provide commercial use. I'm not sure about this. Yes, definitely. And then I will charge for this $5. For the second one, I copy paste the same thing, 10 images background removal with general. Okay, it's not allowing me to put more text. Background removal, no problem, we will put that in description. Background removal, general editing, color correction. I will say 120 images. 20 images, 1 to 20 images. That's all. Remove general editing, color correction, and one more thing, that is that must be combination. Delivery time 1 day definitely. Revisions unlimited. Number of pictures 10. There must be other things like unlimited, and for that I will charge $30, and there must be 20 images. And the third option will be the same thing. I'm gonna copy paste for the saving time. 50 images. Color correction, image manipulation, advanced level editing. Delivery time for 50 images, it must be 2 days. Select the revisions. Number of images unlimited. And that's all. For the extra gig, I will charge for the basic package $5 in 1 day. $10 in 1 day. There must be $20. Additional revisions, additional images, stock photos, no. Save and go for a package. Extra fast duration, must be shorter gig delivery option. A package must have a price. I think here these two are red. What are you saying? Packages extra fast duration must be shorter than gigs delivery option. Let's put it in 2 days. 2 days. Package must have a price. That's all. There must be 1 day. Why it's giving me the stupid option? A package must have price. Where I skip the price. Okay, so here I skip the price. I will charge for this one 50 images, so there must be $110. That's it. Change is saved. So right now I need to stop tutorial here because it's getting long, and I'll say I will catch you very soon with the very next tutorial that will continue from here. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell icon so you will get notification every time I will upload new videos. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.